Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're heading out to the Bargo River Reserve Fire Trail, which is a 10-kilometre return walk, mostly on fire trail, I believe. It leads to the Picton weir, which is a waterfall and like a rail bridge. So yeah, it should be a good day. It's a bit overcast today. It's about 16 degrees Celsius, and yeah, we're just going to head out there and see how we go. Just want to welcome all the new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing and coming along on our journey, and we appreciate you being here. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. Really appreciate it. Trying to build up this channel a bit more so we can do this more often. Once again, really appreciate it. Please comment any feedback at all, anything you like, dislike. Happy to hear it all. So let's gear up, get out, and let's go. The tree's holding up this massive rock that's fallen. You can see the tree growing around the rock. It's been a good walk so far. There was some reports that trees were down over the track. We haven't seen any trees down as yet. If anyone knows what this is for, please comment so that we can find out. Looks like obviously piping to pump water and like a causeway or something, but not really sure. The pipes have 1933 on them, so very interesting. There was flooding here a couple of years ago in New South Wales. And the sticks would have been the height at least of the water. So this looks like the old pump house for those pipes and the culvert that we saw. It's not in use anymore, obviously, but pretty interesting. Obviously frequented by the locals. Very interesting. You can see all the wattle here. It's Australia's native floral emblem, the wattle. So but there's so much of it here, it's really cool. back at the car now. Took about 2 and a bit hours for that walk return. Very interesting walk, a lot of history there it seems, with the weir and the pumping station and a few other things. So it wasn't an overly difficult walk, pretty flat, few rocky areas, a few trees down over the walk in the parts that weren't able to be accessed by vehicle, I would assume. But overall, fairly basic walk. I'll definitely come back to this one again with Lauren. It was it was pretty good. So, but yeah, thanks for coming along, and we will see you on the next adventure.